Oh, we're doing this again. Nice. Going off middle of the night. Nice.
Until 2:30 a.m. At 12:53 a.m., a line of showers was located in the United States. 3019 Memorial Bridge, moving southeast at 15 knots. Hazard.
United States, 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, right off the bat.
There will be an abrupt shift from light southerly winds to gusty northwesterly winds. Source, radar indicated. An observed wind gust of 33 knots was reported at Potomac Light. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. The shower will be near Colonial Beach at one point around 1 to 5 a.m. Carl Island around 1:15 a.m. Wicomico River around 1:25 a.m. Colton's Point and St. Clement Bay around 1:40 a.m. Redden Bay around 1:45 a.m. Namimi Bay around 1:50 a.m. White Point Beach around 1:55 a.m. Coles Point around 2 a.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. This is KHP 36.
Alright, so I forgot to turn my WR400 off of weather mode. And if you can read the time, it's 12:57 in the morning, and that scared the crap out of me. So let's do this before I forget. Yeah, that scared the crap out of me.